Yeah, online students, good morning. Okay, I forgot you people, guys. I came around 9:30, 9:25 only, but I forgot you people somehow. Right. Niranjan N. Patil. Okay. It happened so many times, huh? Yeah, it happened. Happened. I agree that. Okay, I'll remember and I will not repeat it. Okay, na? Happy? Your ego is satisfied. Huh? Now listen the class. Okay. Super, guys. So nothing is online student, nothing to worry. So yesterday we completed what? Large objects insertion. Today we have to focus on large object retrieval. Shall we start the work now? Okay. Yeah, online students, I cannot start exactly session by 9 o'clock. It will be in between 9:20 to 9:30 only. Why? Because I have to conduct an offline class. Sorry, off online class at home. Then I have to come back to Amirpet for conducting online class. It takes time for traveling, and that to an office time now. So a lot of traffic problems are there. So let it be. That's not a big issue now. Okay, let's concentrate on yesterday notes is not uploaded. Fine, I'll upload today. So come on, guys. Right now we are developing what application? Standalone application. In standalone application, is there any platform to display images? Yes, sir. Not there. So what should I do? I need to retrieve the each retrieved image into a file, a dummy file kind of thing. By opening that file, I can give the feeling file is opened or not, guys. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Super. I complete my real-time batch by 9, so timing is best. Okay, not a problem. So where is this 901 PB? Say launch. 901 PB, say launch, guys. Two, three times. I think I have replied two, three times. Yesterday I given reply to everyone. Okay. Panchan Mahapatra. Uh, we'll be having sessions on Spring Data MongoDB right after Spring Data JPA. We have few sessions on Spring Data MongoDB also. Super. For learning Java 8 future core Java classes need to join. That's a one way, or in YouTube channel exclusive videos are there covering only Java 8 features, right? You can learn from there. No need of attending entire core Java, but only Java 8 features class you can attend. Okay, working with large objects. This is our application. Perfect. Go to runner class. Yesterday we spent time on record insertion, right, boss? Okay. Whatever LOB is test runner. Okay. I'm commenting this entire code of the runner, boss. Why should I comment this entire code, guys? Tell me. Because that is insertion part, right? So that we can spend the time on retrieving part or not, guys. This is my run method, boss. This is my run method. Tell me here what is there. Okay, again I am taking logic to retrieve LOBs. Logic to retrieve LOBs. Nothing but large objects, guys. We need to think about taking fine. Okay. scanner SC is equal to new scanner of, right? System dot in. Tell me, int MSID, marriage seeker ID is equal to SC dot next int, guys. What dot next int, guys? SC dot next int. Super. Tell me next one. Sys out. Hmm. What is there, guys? Sys out, enter marriage. Acha, this question should be asked here. Marriage seeker ID. Better to ask this question here, boss. Enter marriage seeker ID. Okay. After that, what is the next thing, guys? Enter marriage seeker ID into MSID is equal to SC dot next int of. Okay, we now we need to perform load object operation or not? Okay, right. So first of all, I'll go to my service class, guys. Here is my service class. Tell me here, what is the story? Public, optional. Come on, guys. Public, optionality. What is this? Marriage seeker. Marriage seeker. Get marriage seeker. Get marriage seeker info. Get marriage seeker info. What is that, guys? Int ID. Get marriage seeker info int ID. Okay. Go for add unimplemented methods, boss. Add what? Unimplemented methods. Okay. Here, tell me, guys, what is there, boss? Return. Return marriage repo dot find by ID. What is this? Find by ID, boss. Find by ID. It is returning that object, boss. Okay, LOB test runner. We have to invoke the method now. Invoke the service method. What, guys? Invoke the service method. What should I do for that? Okay. What is the optional? What is this? Marriage seeker. OPT is equal to. Tell me. Service dot. Okay. Get marriage seeker by ID. What's the ID we have to pass, guys? What's the ID? I think we have one. Okay. You need not to hard code it. MS ID. Okay. If OPT dot is present, if present, right? Okay. Else simple message, guys. What is this? Record not found. If present, one positive message, right, guys? If present, what should I do? Okay, get entity object. Get what? Entity object. Tell me, guys, what is this? Marriage seeker. Seeker is equal to. What is this? Service dot. Tell me. Get marriage seeker info of MSID. Oh, already called. Fine. OPT dot get simple na, boss. OPT dot get. Nice. We're getting it or not, guys? Fine, boss. Then we print the remaining data in normally, guys. Sys out. Sys out. Seeker dot. What, guys? Seeker dot get SID dot dot dot. Come on. Seeker dot get name, dot, dot, dot. Then tell me what is next one. Seeker dot, get Indiana, no. Get name, get address, dot, dot, dot. Seeker dot, get Indian, that's it. We printed normal content, but photo can be printed like that? No. So what should I do then? Okay. Hmm. Write, read the photo content. Nothing but byte array. Uh, byte array from entity object and write to a file. Write to a file. This is my requirement, boss. Okay, na? Write to a file. So reading, writing. Okay. Tell me. Byte array photo content was. What content? Photo content. Tell me. Seeker dot get photo. We got the byte array na boss. Come on. Now tell me. Try with resource we can use. To open the streams we can use try with resource. So that I need not to close the stream separately. Right boss? Tell me. File output stream. Come on. File output stream. File output stream FOS is equal to new file output stream of, okay, something guys, photo underscore retrieve dot jpeg or JF. Anything I can give? JPEG. JPEG. After that, what is next, guys? Yeah. File output stream FOS is equal to new file output stream of, what is this? Photo underscore retrieve dot JPG. Is that clear, guys? Come on, I want reply. After that, what is the next story, guys? What is that? FOS dot new file output stream of photo underscore retrieve dot JPG. After that, what is the next thing? We have to write the content to that file, na boss. FOS dot write. Byte array is there. One method byte array is there or not there? Yes, there, guys. Yes, there. Then what is this? FOS dot flush. Okay, guys. Tell me next one. Try catch. Exception E, guys. E dot print stack address. After this, what can I say, guys? Photo is retrieved to a file. Photo is retrieved to a file. Okay, I have not given any location. It will be created in project folder itself. Okay, guys. Next, I need to do same thing for text file also. Read, what is this? Resume content, what are character from entity object and write to a file. Write to a file. Okay. Try block. Tell me, boss, what is this? File reader, reader is equal to new file reader of, what is this? Resume underscore, what is there, guys? Retrieve dot txt. Resume underscore retrieve dot txt. After that, what is next, guys? Okay, first of all, I need to read the content. What is the, how to read the content, boss? Okay, character array. Resume content is equal to, come on. What is this? Yeah, what is that? Seeker dot get resume. Seeker dot what resume, guys? Get resume. Perfect. After that, what is the next story, boss? Seeker dot write. Okay. Uh, reader dot write. Come on. Reader dot reader write. Oh, reader dot write. File reader, new file reader. Okay, I think it should be file writer now, boss. I have not used brain. You have not used it. For writing, it is writer or reader. Then writer, right, boss? Okay. This should be also what? What is that? Writer, boss. Writer dot write. Character array is there? There are not there. Yes. Writer dot flush. Okay, I need not to close the stream. It will be closed automatically. Come on. Exception, print stack trace. Here is my else block to use or not, guys. Fine. I think in MySQL DB, how many records we are using, guys? We can use find by ID of JPA repository directly as one parameter find. We don't have find by ID in JPA repository. We have get one, get reference by ID. That is lazy loading one, right? What, my dear? What flush will do na? In your bathroom, what flush is doing? No, I will answer in his own style. Manusri, boy or girl, I don't know. Okay. In washroom, what flush is doing? Tell me, madam. Tell me, sir. Moving the content from temporary place to permanent place. Esa no na? Whatever content is there in the buffer, that means temporary area, right? Will be moved to permanent place, nothing but file. Buffer is the temporary area. From there, it will write the content to what? Permanent area called file. So ultimately, okay, from buffer takes the content and writes to actual destination called file. Actual destination called file, right? I think now you never forget this flushing, right? Okay, rust fellows. Without knowing flushing completed childhood, English meanings, see, for some methods, some English word is used means definitely the same meaning will be there, no doubt in that. I hope you got it. Yeah, basically it uses buffer kind of environment before writing to file. So whatever content that is there in the buffer should be flushed out, right? I think now all set for executing the application. But I think I have not written a message here. File is resume is retrieved into file. Copy this. Here is what? Paste. Resume is retrieved to a file. What is, guys? Resume is retrieved to a file. Perfect. Let's see, guys. Main class I should run mouse. Acha, 1 minute. First, MySQL workbench. Connection 1. MySQL workbench. Connection 1. Come on, guys. 901 DB. Super. Tables. Done. After that, what next, guys? Stock info underscore tab. No. What is this? Marriage seeker, guys. Marriage seeker. What is the number? 2 is there. 1 got wasted because of exception, guys. 2 is there. Shall we see how to run this application? Run as Java application. Run as Java application. Convinced, my dear. Got it. Enter ID. 2. Okay. Check it out. To Karan Hyderabad, true boss. Photo is retrieved to a file. Resume is retrieved to a file. Click on right click, say refresh. Okay, refresh. Right, boss? This one, tell me. Open with internal browser. I can open the image with browser also. It's able to come or not, guys? Hey, it is not database one which is retrieved and stored into in my local computer, right, boss? Fine. Okay, text file, no problem. Anyhow, it will work as. Open with text editor. Name Raja, address Hyderabad, age 30, qualification engineering. My hobbies are this. My hobbies are this. Comfortable, guys? Super, boss. Working with date values using Java 8 date and time API. So large object story is over, guys. Now I want to deal with what? Date and time values. Already we worked with the date and time values. Where, guys? Where? Versioning and time stamping. Versioning and time stamping. But there I interested both date and time, guys. But today I will take a situation of dealing with what? Only date, only time, date and time. Shall we see? Yeah, very simple. In entity class, you take Java 8 local date, local time, local date time classes, guys. But unfortunately, MySQL is better towards handling date and time values. Why, you know? In MySQL, we have separate data type for date, separate data type time, separate data type date time, which can hold date and time values both. Timestamp is also there, which can hold what? Date and time values. Understanding my statement, boss? But in Oracle, there is no time data type. Date is there, timestamp is there. We can hold complete date, only date, date and time, but not just time. Not just time. Is it not interesting, Babu? I hope you convinced it with me, my dear. Come on. Okay. Then what happens, sir? At a time also will come in what? Date and time. Timestamp data type column. In Oracle. In Oracle. Timestamp data type column. Having default date 1970 January 1st 00 hours. Why, sir? 1970 January 1st will come. Our time will come. Because time anyhow we are giving now. Date we are not giving. That's why take what? 1970 January 1st. What is this, guys? Every date and time, whatever we are storing, will be remembered internally as milliseconds by finding difference with what? January 1st, 1970, 00 hours. Negative value means before date and time. Positive value means after date and time. Not only Java, entire software industry, the benchmark time. What is that? The benchmark time to remember any date and time in the form of milliseconds is what? January 1st, 1970, 00 hours. That's the standard time that will be used in any software application to remember any date time value in the form of milliseconds with respect to January 1st, 1970, 00 hours. Before means negative millisecond. After means positive millisecond. Whatever we are seeing in the table column, Java application, they are only presentation. But internally, everything is remembered as milliseconds. A big milliseconds, guys. A big milliseconds. That's why long range is bigger in Java. Array, in our personal life also, boss. Come on. Education. Before 10th standard and after 10th standard, we take 10th standard as a benchmark. Come on. Next, if you talk about boy or girl whole life, before marriage and after marriage, they talk. I don't know boy talk or not, but girl definitely talk, right? Before marriage and what? After marriage. Okay, guys. Next, financial situation. Before job and after job. Come on, guys. Before job and after job. Indian history. Before independence and after independence. We take one benchmark time or not, guys? Yeah, the same story continues here. Shall we see that one, boss? Java 8 date and time API is technically called JODA. JODA date and time API. Actually, JODA people have created it and donated to Java people. That's why JODA. JODA is third-party company, joda.org, whose API is used by JDK software for a date and time API operation. Java 8. Local time only to set or get time values. Local date to set or get date values. Local date time to set or get what? Both date and time values. In Oracle database software, date data type to store date values, timestamp data type to store date and time values. Note, time data type is not given. Given or not given? Time data type is not given. In MySQL database software, date is there, date time is there, timestamp is there, time is there. Time is extra in the boss. Time is missing in Oracle, boss. Storing date time values in DB table column as string values is a not recommended option because we cannot perform arithmetic and logical operation on string values. Is it recommended to store date and time values as string values? No. So varchar column, there I will store date and time. Is it going to work out, guys? Tomorrow I want to calculate person age. Can I do a subtraction and operation on the string date value? No. If it is date and time, if date value is stored in date and time column, I can do arithmetic and logical operation or not, guys? I can definitely do arithmetic and logical operation or not, boss? No doubt, boss. Yes, we can do that. Yeah. Do I need to create data types like this? DB table in MySQL, no need of creating DB table manually. It will be generated dynamically by whom? Data. Only for knowledge sake, might have shown, guys. Okay, example application, guys. Regular stuff. See what is this? Employee number, employee name designation, date of birth. Both date and time I am holding. Time of joining, TOJ, and date of joining. Time of joining, date of joining. Time of joining only time, date of joining only date. So shall we develop the similar application, boss? First insertion, then retrieving part we will see, guys. File new. What is this? Spring Starter project. Yeah, tomorrow before coming, everyone please revise and come. PL SQL procedures and functions. We are going to discuss how to call PL SQL procedure and function from our Spring Data JPA application. After that, association mapping. I think hardly another 3-4 sessions. Okay. After that, for 3-4 sessions, we will be spending time on Spring Data MongoDB. I forgot that. Okay, na? Then MVC starts. Once MVC over, REST starts. Once REST started, you are into microservices. Once you are into microservices, okay. That's security, everything will be discussed with respect to microservices. Clear, boss? Super. Let's see, guys. Go slow, please. Don't go fast, sir. Okay. Farhan Patel, I said, I just order topics order. I did not say tomorrow Spring Boot MS course is completed. Did I say that? Fine, guys. Yeah, because see, I can teach Spring Boot microservice for 1 year also, but It's useless, right? It should be useful for you, right, boss? Right. From here, it will take 2 months. I don't give number of days, number of sessions. Yes, around 40 to 50 sessions are required. Definitely, 40 to 50 sessions are no doubt required. Please cover in detail. This is not in detail, Mr. Parhan Patel. Please cover in detail. If you don't realize it is in detail, ah, okay. I'm not skipping anything. I'm covering everything. Okay. Super. Yes. Okay, boss. Jar is there. Hmm. Thank you. Love you. Fine. My taste is different, man. Fine. Love you. What these people don't have common sense what to be written. Uh, okay. Shall we get into the subject discussion? Just joking. No, jokes apart. What is the project name, guys? Boot. Boot MVC and data JPA. Na. Boot data JPA. Come on, guys. What is that? Huh? 08. Boot data JPA 08, guys. Tell me next one. Boot data JPI 08. Okay, I understood. I just cracked joke, mister. Tell me, working with, what is this? Date time. Working with date time. Nice. Tell me here, Spring Data JPI, MySQL driver, Oracle. I'll give in MySQL, you talk to Oracle. Lamba key is required, definitely. Say next, say finish. Here also I'll show two things. Insertion, retrieving. But I will give an assignment. You know, you are inserting date of birth na? By writing custom query, you find out age of a person. By writing custom query, you find out age of a person. Sysdate minus DOB. Remembered? Sysdate minus DOB is the query that you have to use. I hope you will do that one, guys. Yes. Okay. That will be given as assignment. I want you people to work out that. Okay. Let's not waste time. Go to resources folder, right? Here we have application.properties. Come on, guys. So you have to paste that one here. I need to paste that one. Yes, it will be ready to talk with Oracle database software or MySQL. Maybe right now it is pointing to MySQL, it seems. Yeah. Right click, new package. What is this? com.nt.entity was. Right click, new package. com.nt. com.nt. What is there? Service. Yeah, service. Next, com.nt.runner was. Package com.nt.runner. com.nt.runner was. Okay. Let's go for entity, boss. In entity class, what should I take, my dear? I think employee or job seeker. Okay, we'll take employee only. Anything we can take, guys. What is there in that? Here is my employee. Tell me. Private integer EID. Next. Private string. Tell me, guys. E name. Next. Private string E address. Private local date time. What is there, guys? private local date time DOB. Next, private local date of joining. Private local time of joining. What is that, guys? Time of STRING. Okay. How to make it as entity class, guys? At the rate entity. What is that? At the rate entity. At the rate table name is equal to JPA underscore employee. What, guys? JPA underscore employee. I hope it will work with JPA underscore. I will take Joda underscore employee. Okay, boss. Joda underscore employee. Okay, in my style, at the rate data, getter setter methods. Fine, guys. At the rate all arg construct. Nice, boss. At the rate, what is this? No arg constructor. At the rate ID. At the rate generator value. Strategy is equal to, what is there? Auto, na? Auto is better, boss. Control plus shift plus. Everything came, guys. Go to service interface, my dear. Class. Repository is missing, guys. Shall I take one repository interface package? com.nt.repository. What is their interface? I employee repository. Add. Tell me. JPA repository. I employee repository, JPA repository. Here is what? Employee. What is next one? Integer. Got it, boss? After that, what next? Right click, new interface. What is this? I employee management service. I employee management service, guys. Tell me here, what is there, guys? Come on. Public string. Public string. Register employee. What, guys? Register employee. Employee EMP. Right click new class. Employee management service IMP. Interface. I employee management, guys. Save finish. Okay, guys. Here is my what, guys? Service. EMP service, guys. Private. Tell me. I employee repo. EMP repo. Here is my at the rate auto. At the rate auto. Super regular boring lines, guys. Come on. Here, what is there? Int ID val is equal to EMP repo dot save EMP repo dot save EMP get EID. Tell me, boss. return employee is saved with the ID value plus ID. Perfect. Gone, guys. Employee is saved with the ID value plus ID value. Okay, guys. Next one, what is there, guys? Go to runner. Go to runner, guys. Where is this? LOB. Class, huh? Date time test runner, guys. What's the interface I should take, guys? Command line run. Save finish. Command line runner this. What is there? At the rate component. At the rate component. Tell me next one. Private. What is there, guys? Private. What is there? Private. Employee. I employee. Not coming, boss. I employee management service, right? Okay. EMP service. Here is my at the rate auto. Here is my at the rate auto. Don't we need repository? Repository is just now added, right? Okay. Yeah. Create entity object, boss. What object? Create entity object, boss. Tell me, what's the procedure for entity object, boss? Employee, new employee. Share the program files. Why? You cannot prepare, Ravi Verma? Ravi Verma, you cannot develop applications on your own? By seeing Notepad, can't you develop applications on your own? Then why are you trying to become software engineer? Don't become. When you see, you are supposed to develop application on your own, not even seeing paintbrush. Okay, fine, I am giving paintbrush. Still, you are expecting soft copies from me. Can't you create your own soft copies? Mr. Ravi Verma, I want reply. You don't have time to type the code. You don't have time to practice. I should give soft copy. I should give hard copy. Then what the hell you become then? Okay. I will give only twice or once at the end of the module only I will give. Remaining all the time, your reference is what? Paintbrush. Because if I give soft copy, you will feel you developed code by copy pasting. I know that. You have to dirty your hands by getting errors again and again, by solving them. Then only you'll become programmer, right? Okay. D fellows, guys. Don't want to write single line of code, but expected 10 lakh package from the software company. Yes, I know, especially these Telugu people only. No, not at all ready to hard work, but expectations are big. Mr. Verma, no reply when I ask reverse question. Shameless fellow. Tell me next one. E-name, Rajesh. You have to sit and write the code. You have to sit and write the code. You have to get the errors. You have to solve the errors. You have to speak with neighbors. You have to come to lab. You have to send screenshots with me. You have to keep screenshots in the group. That's the way we'll work out. I think you might have got your own WhatsApp groups also, right? Institute wise. Yeah, there you share the errors. Without hard work, nothing comes, boss. Okay, Hyderabad. What is this? EMP dot. What is this? DOB. DOB. New local date time dot off. What guys? Local date time dot off. Tell me guys, what is the month? What is the month? What is the year? 1980. Okay, 19 will give old person. 1960, right? 1960. Tell me now. Month, 10th month. Date. Okay, 30th date. Next, time, 11 o'clock. 50th minute. 34th, this one. Control plus shift plus O. Local date time dot. Yes. Changed or not changed? What's the problem? New local date time dot off. Local date time dot off. When you're calling method, no need of new operator na. DOB is ready. Tell me TOJ. Local time dot off. Time of joining, guys. Time of joining. Tell me, guys. 11th hour. Okay. 20th minute. 30th, 40th second. EMP dot. Come on, guys. Date of joining. Tell me. Local date dot off. What is the year? What is the year? I want reply, boss. Date of joining, ra. Job person, ra, babu. 60 has taken birth around 80 years. 30 got job around 25 years, right? Tell me, guys. 1965 or 76? 86, okay. 86. What is the month, guys? 11th month. What is the date, guys? 12th date. Okay. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Instead of that, can we directly pass in object? Right now, I'm doing same thing, na? What object you want to pass, Mr. Neeraj and Patel? Are you talking out of your common sense? Instead of this, we can pass value directly in object. Right now, I'm passing to object only na, by calling setter method. I don't know, Neeraj and Patel is there in different dunya. Save object. Tell me, what is this? String message is equal to EMP service dot register employee EMP sys out message. We got the message over here or not, guys? Perfect. Com.nt. I think now we are able to insert the record here. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Employee is saved with ID value 1. Employee is saved with ID value 1, guys. Okay, what's our logical database? This. Say refresh, guys. Refresh all. Okay, Joda employee is there na? Joda employee. Look at the settings. Look at the settings, guys. TOJ time, DOB date time, DOJ date, everything coming as expected. Right click, guys. What is this? Select rows. We are getting everything perfectly here or not, guys? Coming or not coming? It's happening or not happening, boss? Definitely. Yeah. Okay. Can we go for retrieving part? Retrieving is not great. Find all is there. You call the method, you will get it. Okay, na? So where is retrieving part, guys? Here is my service. In the service, what is there? Public list. Tell me. Employee. Show all employees. Show all employees. Yeah. Here is what, guys? Written. Employee repo dot find all. Employee repo dot find all, guys. Nice, guys. Tell me what is next one? What class? Runner class. We need to retrieve the date and time values or not. Let's comment this. Tell me, boss. What is there? Okay. EMP service dot. Show all employees dot for each. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. You're getting the things. Date and time values are retrieved and stored into appropriate properties. Retrieved and stored into appropriate properties or not, guys. Okay, now you try in Oracle, guys, but now I want to give example on age calculator. What calculator, guys? But getting system date is different in different databases. So we need to write custom query. We need to write that to native SQL query. Come on. Yeah. But in our date and time, in date of birth, not only date stored, time is also stored. Don't forget that. Time is also stored. Okay, guys. Now listen. First of all, I'll go to repository. Here, what is there, guys? Public float, because I may get numeric floating values. Okay, what is this? Get person employee is by ID. Employee is by ID. Tell me int ID. At the rate query, value is equal to some query. Tell me control plus shift plus native query is equal to native query is equal to true, guys. We should get the result here. Okay. MySQL query for is calculator. MySQL query for age calculator. How to calculate age? How to calculate age? Yeah. First of all, tell me. First of all, tell me. Select date format from underscore days. Date diff now comma date of birth. between now and date of birth. Date of birth is the column, boss. Okay, na? Okay. Date of birth is the column. So we are getting some difference, guys. Okay, that we are converted into number of, yeah. Okay. That we are converted into what, guys? From days to years they converted. So I don't want to go for from days. What this date format is giving? Date format. What this date format is saying? This function format the specific data as per the specified. Percentile it for days, number of percentile C for what? Month, percentile Y for the number of years. How many years you want, that is going to format. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this query we are having now, boss. Yeah, listen. The above formula first finding the difference between current date and date of birth in 4-wise MMDD format. What format, guys? 4-wise MMDD using the date diff. From days calculates the time span, the date differences are having what? 4-wise MMDD format. So that 4-wise is converting into number of years. 4 dates it is converting into what? Number of years. I hope you understood, guys. But one technical problem is there. What is that? Tell me. One technical. Our date of birth is storing date and time, but it is expecting what? Date of birth should have only 4-wise MMDD. But still, I will try to write the query, guys. Let's see. I still place the query here. Tell me. Okay. Percentile Y, percentile Y, not as is. All these are waste, guys. Okay. We kept the query. We got the result. We kept the query and we got the result. Understood, guys? Now, comma. Here, what is the column name, guys? DOB, na? What's the column name? DOB. Percentile Y, native query is equal to true. Go to the service class, guys. Public float. Find EMP is by ID. Into ID. IMPL class, guys. What class? IMP. Find is by ID. What, guys? Find is by ID. Return employee report dot. What is there? Employee report dot. Come on. Get employee is by ID. Tell me here what is this? Employee is by ID. Float value. Go to the runner class, guys. Go to the runner class. Tell me. Sys out employee is. Employee is. EMP service dot. Find by is 1. Find by is 1. Right click, guys. Java application. Right click, guys. Java application. What is the Java application, guys? Null return value advices does not match primitive return type. It is actually returning what, guys? Null. Is not matching with what? Float. Is it matching with the float, guys? Is not returning anything. What's the problem here? It is holding time part also, but it is expecting only date part. Then we should know how to go for truncatination. What guys? Sysadate is in Oracle, boss. In MySQL, it is NAWAF only. In MySQL, it is what? NAWAF. Yeah. So this is the biggest challenge we got. What is the repository? Here is the repository. From days now comma DOB. From days now comma DOB. Is there any truncate method, guys? Truncate DOB. Trunk is there. In MySQL also there. No, MySQL. Okay, no problem. Getting date from date time of MySQL. Getting date from date time from MySQL. Date time column from MySQL. Yeah. So it is having both date and time now. Okay. What I want to get? Only date. What is there? Date. What is there? Timestamp of booking. Okay. Only date part you will get now, boss. Tell me here, what is this? Date of, come on guys, date of DOB. Am I right? Yeah, the DOB should be given within double quotes or single, no, not required. Not required. Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, guys. So from here, only date part will come. Now off also will give date part. It is finding the difference, right, boss? Okay, let's see. Right click, run on Java application. Exception came. Unknown column, DOB. Column not there, DOB is not there. Single quote required. DOB is there now, boss. DOB column is there, right? Date DOB. Okay, let's see. Right click, run as Java application. It's saying that returning nothing, was. It is saying what? Returning nothing. 1 minute. Take this query, guys. Come on. Take this query. How come it says unknown column DOB? DOB column is there now. Okay. Did I mention the table name anywhere? 1 minute. Date underscore format this. What should I do? From should I write from here na, boss? Yeah. What is there? From, what's the table name? JPA underscore Joda underscore date underscore time. Date time or date underscore time? Employee. Okay. Employee. Yeah, basic material we forgot. Where, what is the, this one, guys? EID. Where EID colon equal to question mark. Colon equal to question mark 1. That's the actual query na, boss. Come on. I think we should write this entire stuff outside. Cut it. Here you should write everything, guys. This is the right place. Okay, done. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. What's the problem, guys? Problem is this. It is returning null. What is running? What is saying, boss? It is returning null. So Nawaf is coming, DOB is right. Okay, let me not keep DOB within double quotes, right? If I keep double quotes, it is right click, run as Java application. Yeah, 63 years of age. Is it right? Is it right? Figure is right or wrong? 1960, today 2024. I think it's sounding right. Sounding correct or not, guys? What we are doing? What we are doing? 1 minute, I don't even convert into date. Here also I will keep DOB. Let's see. Here also I will keep DOB, guys. Right click, guys. Come on. Run as Java application. Yeah, then also, if you don't convert also, not a problem, guys. If you don't convert also, not a problem. Where is the repository? Here is the repository. From days, tell me, date difference, now comma DOB. No need of converting into 4 format, guys. It has come nicely in a boss. Okay. So actually from there, I am retrieving only year part. From there, we are retrieving only year part. 1 minute. From days, uh, don't convert into date format, guys. 1 minute. Don't convert into from date format. From days, can I say by 365? Open, closing. 365 point, 365.25. Or I'm dividing by, okay, exactly this one. Okay, no, 63 is the right member. Okay, right click, run as Java application. No, it's not coming properly. Yeah, 1727 has come. Is it coming rightly, guys? Okay, what is the days difference? Okay, from days. What this days difference is doing, guys? Yeah, from days. The difference is passed then to from days function that calculates time span of the date differences in 4 ways. Acha. Okay, it also gives as a date only, guys. It also gives the date. Okay, when I say date difference, what is the date difference, guys? What is date difference? Powerful date manipulating tool calculate difference between two dates across the various platform, providing flexibility that the function capability analysis report, guys. Date difference is potentially start date and end date, guys. Parameters of date diff. Defines unit of time. What is there? The difference calculation between two dates. It specifies granularity result, such as years, month, and days. Okay, interval, 1 minute. interval year, abbreviations 4 wise. No, I want to get in the day in the form of what, guys? Days. I want to get in the form of what? Days. Calculates total days between the dates. Calculates total dates between the dates. 1 minute. Date difference is there. Come on. Date difference is there. Okay. 1 minute. Date difference is there. Interval I am passing what, guys? D na? Interval I am passing as what? D. Interval I am passing as D. Okay, that's going to give me number of days na, boss? This is going to give me number of days. What do you say, guys? Days difference D now comma DOB, this one, number of days. And I want to get perfect number of days also, guys, nothing else. Right click, run as Java application. We got years perfectly, guys, but I'm interested to get number of days also. Incorrect parameter count to call native function date diff. Date diff. JDBC exception. 1 minute. How to pass this difference, guys? Let me find out how to pass difference. Interval parameter accept various. This one. What is this? Day is there. Okay, one option day is there. Start date, end date. Start date, end date. Examples. Here they can be passed na, boss. Okay. What is the start date? Now off. End date. Reverse. Reverse we are passing a, boss. System date is start date and date. Okay, no problem. Day off. Okay, 1 minute. What is going to give? What it is going to give? Dummy data set. Solution. Deliver date is what? This. Deliver date is this. Year is going to give number of years, guys. Is going to give number of years, right? Okay. So my thought is right, guys, but execution we have to check once. Here, what is the one I should paste, guys? Day. Day is allowed na? Okay. Day. Day or D also. Day or D. What is the start date? Start date now of a DOB. Okay, whatever it is. Now of a DOB. Let's check. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. Run on Java application. Incorrect parameter count to native function. Date diff. Incorrect function. In date diff, we cannot pass 3 values. Date diff. Year comma, start date comma, current date. 1 minute. I will pass in reverse order. We have one solution, guys. It's not like that we don't have solution. Wait a minute. Go to Eclipse. Go to Eclipse, guys. Tell me here what is this. First DOB I will give. Next what I will give? Nawaf I will give. Right, boss. First DOB, then Nawaf. Okay. So whatever difference has come, guys. Whatever difference has come. On that we are saying 365.25. So that means number of days are divided or not, guys. Come on. Okay. Right click, run on Java application. Incorrect parameter call to the date function day off. I'm not understanding here. Happily given na. Start date, comma, current date. What is the current date? Start date, comma, current date. Order date, comma, delivery date. Order date, delivery date. Okay, can I try, instead of now of, can I try current date, guys? Instead of now of, can I try current date? Super. Okay, here what is this? Current underscore date. Current underscore date, boss. Am I right? First one is what? Day. We have one solution, but I want to have a better solution. That's why I'm trying all these things. Incorrect number of parameters. JDBC exception. Date diff not applicable. Array, there date diff says 3 parameters are allowed. Here date diff says 3 parameters are not allowed. How come, Ra Babu? I think, can I keep this day in double single quote? Maybe it is expecting as a constant. Right click, run as Java application. I think what we are seeing is not happening in MySQL, guys. It is wrong in MySQL. Leave it. Maybe it works in what? Oracle database. This is given for which one, guys? This is with respect to which database? This function is not working here. This function is not working here, right? See this? Day I passed there, but is it working, boss? It's not working. So it's better to stick with original syntax. We already got original syntax now, boss. Come on. Date diff. Yeah, it is in SQL server, right? What server? But such syntax is not there in what? MySQL. That's a problem. So, but we unnecessarily stick with that plan for a lot of time. So let's go for end this. Whatever logic is there. This is the original logic, date format. Yeah. Date format from days. This one now, guys. Huh? I didn't get you. From spell mistake. No need of this, na? From JPA, this is right now. Acha, this should be moved to last, right? Cut it. Yeah, no need of this also. We can directly place DOB. You can directly work with the DOB na, boss. Yeah, two brackets are open, two brackets are closed. I think one more bracket is required here. Okay, now let's run the application now. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, date values are different in different databases. We have to work accordingly, guys. Oh, still error. Check the manual. I think more brackets have come. Yeah, MySQL version. Extra bracket has come, boss. How many brackets are open? 1, 2, 3. 3. 3 are open. But one is closed here. That's why here 2 is enough, right? Okay. Extra brackets. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. Right click, guys. Run as Java. Yeah, we got it now. Okay. So I'm just giving this repository, remaining everything you can write, right, boss? Yeah, date value, null value, this one. Date time rest controller. Assignment is given na. Okay, below assignment, I am giving repository interface. By seeing this, you can complete the assignment. Do I need to give entire code, complete code, guys? Is it required? Is it really required? You only tell me, boss. Yeah. Yeah. I have given with respect to MySQL. You work out for Oracle. You please work out for Oracle on your own. Native query. At least now you understood the real importance of native queries. When all doors are closed, we can think about working with native queries. Where is this Procura? Where is that, guys? Okay. What's your batch code? Natraz. What is this? Java real time? No. 9 a.m. Spring Boot microservices 9 a.m. This one? Yeah. What is there? Spring Data JPA. File upload. Yeah. Tell me here, what is this? Class content, Spring. Then what is there, guys? 617 901 901. Spring Data JPA. What is today's date? 8th, 9th. We modified yesterday's one only. Okay, we'll make it 8th and 9th. We'll make it what? 8th and 9th. 8th and 9th. Save it, guys. Come here, boss. 8th and 9th open. Right. Okay. Tomorrow you please read and come what? PL SQL procedures and functions. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Yesterday notes and today notes together I passed na, boss. Manusri madam, find by ID takes ID property value. If ID property value is integer, you have to put integer only. If ID property value is long, you have to pass long. You cannot pass what you want. You should pass that one that is there in which is taken. Manusri, I am answering your question only. Type long is not showing. It won't show, madam. First, you have to go to entity class, find out what is ID property type. What is ID property type that you have to pass. And then if it is, okay, then after passing value, you have to say L. Okay. Sagar, I think 20 minutes back, I have given plan. After passing value, you have to put L. Then only it will be taken as long.